Outgoing Supreme Court Justice John Paul Stevens was outvoted today in a major decision about an emotional issue. It came as Stevens heard oral arguments for the final time. Correspondent Shannon Bream looks at a big case on a big day.
This simple cross, erected in 1934 as a memorial to the fallen of World War I, sits in the Mojave Desert. For years, various groups and individuals have sued to tear it down, calling it unconstitutional, arguing the memorial amounted to a religious symbol on government land. But today, a big win for the memorial supporters at the Supreme Court. In a 5-4 opinion, Justice Kennedy wrote, quote, "The goal of avoiding governmental endorsement does not require eradication of all religious symbols in the public realm."
I think it's almost insulting to have one person's religious symbol serve as a memorial to all the men and women who served, whether they're believers or not.
Writing for the dissent, Justice Stevens said, quote, "I certainly agree that the nation should memorialize the service of those who fought and died in World War I, but it cannot lawfully do so by continued endorsement of a starkly sectarian message." Today was not a complete victory for the memorial supporters. The Supreme Court sent the case back to the trial court to revisit the issue of whether or not a land swap deal Congress put together to convey the land the cross sits on to private owners was legal.
And while on appeal, there's actually a box, it's actually encased in a box of plywood. And we just think that's a disgrace.